So I'm ignorant because I'm afraid, is what they're saying. And if I was informed, I wouldn't be afraid.
A little bit of information won't hurt anybody.
Well, I'm okay.
For the show, we went to the Academy in Natural Sciences. I want to make sure you was all right. I'm not afraid of animals, just ghosts and germs. But at the Black Excellence in Birding Gala, no one's afraid. They have something called Bird Joy. The In Color Birding Club's gonna take us outside. Bird Safe Philly is gonna show us what to do when we find dead birds. And I'm gonna learn about nature by being nature.